at the house of Putu Wiadnyana in Tenganan. Nah, sedang becek. Wow, supercarane. Besut total. Perfect timing, missed everything. They got them coming out. And Putu has made this incredible party central. So beautifully designed by Putu and his wife. So apparently they're going on a walkabout. Biggie boom. She's wearing the most beautiful ringsing. Brand new wedding ringsing, I guess. Such a classical patola pattern. So I'm back at the beautiful Pura Banjar. Where's all my drunk mates? And the whole idea of the magibong is everyone eating together, which is an ancient Malay Tenganan tradition. Seni je rambut ni.
Rambut nak bodoh.
Pasti kene bersakti ni cara sabta rasi.
Sakti kan tua.
Sakti kan tua. So this is the it's called magibong, and it's when you sit down and eat all together. And in a ceremonial situation, they sit in the high pavilion, and they each have a dulang, a sort of wooden tray. But here, it's just a big free-for-all, and the whole idea is that you join in. It's a very East Balinese thing. So Putu's invited everyone. It's obviously his feast, so he's going around to everyone just to make sure. All his mates. Isn't that sweet? So he's particularly finding all his direct relatives. It's Nebot, ne? Beautiful scene of the women eating in here. She's doing the circuit. But mud kan ya kemulai man, eh?
Mad dia mulai.
Mud yang mulai. Great little kiddies corner. We're back in the family house now. The bride's having her lunch. How atmospheric is this light? Simbarang makan. Sila ganti. Putu's gorgeous Tenganan accent. So aren't you going to eat with your wife? He said no, one after the other. Sajak, this is called sajak in Tenganan, but it's the old Chadableleng too. Sutra, silk. Gorgeous orange, that sort of. It's a purple, and that lovely green. That sort of. I forget what green it is. Pistachio green, persimmon green. I can't remember. That gorgeous Tenganan slonding music. Oh, no jigle what inan bagus, sir. So the parents of Kadek with Putu. The women's auxiliary group, the Ibu PKK, have arrived. They're negotiating the ramp in their flatties. They've never walked a ramp in wedgies before. The Balinese, once they get dressed up like Javanese public servants, they actually walk like Javanese. Otherwise they stride around. Here comes one, strident. Strident is the spirit of Bali. Nothing but the best for my little guests.
I love the vegetables, Balinese vegetables.
Amalia and Andre.
Smile. Now full of pupuk.
This is quite possibly the prettiest dining room I've ever seen in Bali, because it's set in the middle of the courtyard of Tenganan village, and you have that lovely slonding music streaming through the woven coconut walls. Everything is done so well in Tenganan.